Are you someone suffering hyperpigmentation, dullness, your scars are not fading away? Doesn't matter whatever remedies or whatever market-based substances you have used, but your marks are not going away. What to do? So today in this video, I, Dr. Madiha Bhayani, have brought you an amazing ingredient which may be present in your home or can be easily available online too. So this product is called Alum. Yes, you heard me right. Only this one alum can cause your hyperpigmentation to fade away, especially if it's at the superficial level. So do give it a try. Alum is very common, but how to use it, it's very important to know. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the remedies.
Let's begin with our very first natural remedy for pigmentation, a simple yet powerful combination using coconut oil and turmeric. Start by taking a small clean and dry bowl. Hygiene is essential when it comes to skincare as it helps prevent introducing bacteria that can lead to irritation or breakouts. Now add coconut oil into the bowl. Around 1 to 2 teaspoons is enough for a single use. You may have heard people say that coconut oil is comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores and cause acne. But let's clear that up with the real science. Coconut oil scores a 4 out of 5 on the comedogenic scale. That means it can clog pores, especially for those who have oily or acne prone skin. However, not everyone's skin reacts the same way. Coconut oil might work beautifully for dry and sensitive or mature skin, while some people with oily skin may experience breakouts. If your coconut oil is frozen or solid, melt it gently using the double boiler method or by placing the container in the warm water. Do not microwave it directly. That can damage its natural nutrients. Once melted, let it cool down to the room temperature before applying it to your face. Also, whenever you choose to use coconut oil on your skin, make sure it is organic, virgin and cold pressed. These are free from harsh processing and retain all their antioxidants and skin healing fatty acids. And no matter what natural ingredient you are using, always patch test first. Apply a small amount behind your ear or on your jawline and wait for 24 hours to check for any reaction. Now, add 1 pinch of turmeric to the oil. Preferably use wild turmeric, also known as kasturi haldi, because it's specifically meant for skin use. It doesn't stain much and has strong healing properties. Turmeric has multiple benefits for the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, which helps reduce redness and puffiness. It has antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria. It's rich in antioxidants that help fade pigmentation and brighten the skin tone. It also supports healing and helps even out the skin texture. If you don't have wild turmeric, you can use regular kitchen turmeric but reduce the amount to a half of a pinch. Kitchen turmeric is stronger and may stain your skin slightly, so be cautious with the quantity. Now mix the coconut oil and turmeric thoroughly with a clean spoon. The oil should turn slightly yellow. This is your active skin brightening blend. If coconut oil doesn't suit your skin, especially if you're acne prone, here are a few great alternatives. Jojoba oil, which closely resembles your skin's natural sebum and is non-comedogenic. Rosehip oil, which is high in vitamin A and known for fading scars and pigmentation. Sweet almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E and great for dry or dull skin. Once your mixture is ready, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil or product buildup. This step is important to help the remedy penetrate your skin effectively. Now take a small amount of the coconut oil and turmeric mixture on your clean fingertips. Gently apply it to your face using circular motions. Make sure your hands are freshly washed. If you prefer to use a brush, ensure it is completely clean and sanitized. You can also apply the remedy to your neck, lips and hands wherever you have pigmentation or dark patches. Massage it into your skin for about 10 minutes using the soft part of your fingers, the pulp, in gentle upward circles. This improves circulation and helps the ingredients absorb better. Many people use coconut oil alone, but when you combine it with the turmeric and follow these specific steps, you will begin to notice a visible improvement in pigmentation within just a few applications. Repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week and as always observe how your skin responds. The second step for this treatment focuses on alum powder, a powerful yet often underrated ingredient in the skincare. Alum, also known as fitkari, has been used for centuries for its antiseptic, antibacterial and astringent properties. It helps in tightening the skin, reducing the appearance of large pores, treating treating acne and minimizing dark spots and pigmentation. It also helps in exfoliating dead skin cells gently, revealing a cleaner, fresher layer underneath. If you're buying alum powder, I have linked my affiliate products below. You can use that for convenience. But if you already have solid alum at home, that works too. Simply grind or crush it into a fine powder. Make sure it is as fine as possible because the texture plays a very important role in skincare. And this part is crucial. Whether you're using store-bought alum powder or grinding it yourself, always strain it through a fine strainer or muslin cloth. This helps remove any large or coarse particle that can cause micro tears, irritation, or even rashes, especially on delicate facial skin. But don't throw those strained out particles away. You can dilute them in a small bowl of water and use the solution for your hands, feet, or underarms. Areas where the skin is thicker and can tolerate a slightly grainer texture. It works great as a natural deodorizer and brightening scrub for those areas. Now to the strained fine alum powder, add fuller's earth, also known as multani mitti. This is a fantastic natural clay that helps in oil absorption, deep cleansing, and detoxifying the skin. If your skin is oily or combination, use 1 teaspoon of fuller's earth, but if your skin is dry, use half a teaspoon only. As fuller's earth tends to be drying, it can even be applied around the under eye area in a thinner layer to help with dark circles and puffiness, thanks to its cooling properties. These ingredients not only clears clogged pores and removes excess sebum, but it also improves skin texture, tightens saggy skin, and leaves it looking brighter and more even toned. Now to balance out the drying effect of both alum and fuller's earth, especially if your skin is dry or sensitive, we'll add glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into your skin, keeping it soft, plump, and hydrated. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin to the mixture. It soothes irritated skin, repairs the skin barrier, and gives your skin a healthy, dewy finish. It also helps in blending the mask smoothly and prevents it from cracking when it dries on the skin. Mix the ingredient thoroughly until you get a smooth, semi-thick paste. If needed, add a drop or two of the water or rose water, but just a little, as we don't want the mixture to become too runny. Here's a tip. Take a small amount on your fingers and feel the texture. If you notice any grainy or rough particles, it means the alum hasn't dissolved properly. Keep mixing until the texture becomes smooth. This step ensures the mask is safe and gentle on your facial skin especially. Once it's fully mixed, apply a thin layer of this paste evenly across your face as the second step of the treatment. You can also apply it to your neck and any other pigmented areas. Let it dry naturally for around 15 minutes. Once it dry, you can even apply a second layer specifically on the areas with stubborn pigmentation for better results. After 15 minutes, rinse it off using clean water only. Do not use any soap or face wash. Let your skin rest and absorb the benefits of this natural treatment. Once you have rinsed off the mask, your skin will feel clean, fresh, and slightly tight. That's completely normal after using ingredients like alum and fuller's earth. Now it's very important to follow up with the proper skin hydration and protection. If you're doing this treatment during the daytime, make sure to apply a light hydrating moisturizer followed by a good broad spectrum sunscreen. My links, which I use it personally, are in the description below. This step is non-negotiable, especially when you are targeting pigmentation. The sun can worsen dark spots and slow down the healing process, so always protect your skin after any active treatment. But if you are doing this routine at night, skip the sunscreen and instead use just 2 drops of castor oil on your face. Castor oil is thick and deeply nourishing. It contains a ricinoleic acid, which is anti-inflammatory and promotes skin healing. It also helps fade pigmentation, soften fine lines, and support natural collagen production. Most importantly, it seals in the moisture and forms a protective barrier while you sleep. And yes, I'm using castor oil myself here to show you how safe and gentle it is when used correctly. Only a few couple of drops are enough. Warm it slightly between your fingers and press it gently into your skin. This step gives your skin the final soothing touch and locks in all the nourishment from the treatment.
So you have seen in how many ways we have shown you how to use alum particularly for your beautiful skin. If you are someone who is worried about the hair care also, so I have a full playlist of hair care here. Do visit that playlist and I'll see you there. Till then, bye-bye.